Hey everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do your home facials. Now you're going to learn how to do facials at home. You're not going to be spending money in a spa. That's if you've been doing that already. Okay, so if you've not been doing that and you want to look really good, you know, remove all of the stuff on your face and look really young, this is an homemade facials that would help you to achieve that. So if you want to know what all of this comprises, do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, for a natural Botox in few minutes at home, you're gonna be needing this. This I have here is vitamin C. Okay, you can get that in the pharmacy. It's just vitamin C and it's actually very helpful. Now vitamin C helps a lot on the skin. If you've actually not used vitamin C on your skin before, you have to go give this a go give this a try. It's gonna be really helpful. It helps to remove all pigments and unwanted blemishes on the skin, and it is also a great ingredient for making your skin look glowing and rejuvenated. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to crush this vitamin C. I'll make it smooth so that when you want to apply it, everything will be smooth. Okay, so it's a little smooth now. Now I'm gonna be turning into this bowl. Alright, so here I have my vitamin C. And the very next one we're going to be needing is aspirin. Now, have you actually used aspirin before? Aspirin is actually very great for stretch mark, it's great for dandruff, it's great for pimples. So it's great for a natural Botox home facials, okay? It's going to help you to remove all of those blemishes and pigmentations on your face and on your body. So I'm equally going to be crushing the aspirin. Right, so it's crushed and it is smooth. So here I have my aspirin and vitamin C. I'll have to be mixing them together. And this is actually a very great natural Botox, you know, a very simple way to do facials in your house, even without spending too much of money in a spa to have your facials. Right guys, so the very next ingredients we're going to be needing, which is actually very important also, is this, and this is tomato. Now tomato is a great natural skin lightening agent. It helps to shrink large pores and it helps to make the skin look super glowing and beautiful. Alright, so when it comes to using tomato as your part of your ingredient for facials, it is highly recommended because it helps to reduce the pores on your skin, therefore making your skin so glowing, bright and toned. Alright, so now I would have to be blending it. So after blending this, I have to be turning it into the vitamin C and aspirin. And then mix it all together. Alright, so this is how it looks like. It looks really beautiful. I love the color of this, and it smells really good, so it's going to be very good for a natural Botox in your home. So the very last ingredient you're going to be needing is this, and this is granules. This is peanuts. Okay, you have to use a fresh peanut and not a fried one for this home facials. Okay, so because granite helps in moisturizing the skin, and it also helps to keep the skin fresh and smooth. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna be blending just a little of the granules. So done blending the granules, although it's not properly blended, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be sieving it into this one because it's not properly blended just like I would want it. So I'll be sieving it in so that the particles won't be too much. So I'm going to be pressing it this way so that the juice would have to come out. Alright, so after that is done, our natural home Botox, home facial is all set and ready. Alright guys, so to apply this natural Botox, you have to get a brush, or you can decide to use your hands. I'm going to be using my hands, and I'm going to be showing you this also using my hands. So you guys are actually going to excuse me today for me to use my hands and show you, but this is actually very great. You can use it on your face, on your neck. Use it to scrub on your face for that natural facials and home facials. You use it on your body, just like you see me use it now. Okay, so it's going to give you this natural fairness. It's going to tone you up a little, not bleach you. It's going to actually lift up the dead skin cells that is actually making your skin look darker. So when it lifts it up, your skin is going to begin to look really toned and fair. So your skin is going to look even. So all of your complexion on your skin is going to look even, so meaning that the complexion on your skin is going to look really uniform. So after which you apply it generously, you would have to scrub it. Scrubbing it will actually help to lift up the dead skin cells on your skin. Now as you're scrubbing this thing, you're going to be feeling that it's going to be very, very, very smooth, and your skin is going to begin to be smooth, just like you're going to be feeling it almost immediately. You're going to be feeling the smoothness almost immediately. Yeah. So you scrub it in a circular motion like this. That's how you do your natural facials, natural Botox at home, you know, without any stress. Give yourself that uniform complexion using this ingredient, and it's going to be amazing. Okay guys, so after using this, you would have to go wash it off with a normal water. You just pour water over you and rinse it up from your head to your toe, and have your skin looking so smooth and plump up. And also you can actually apply this for 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, so meaning that you can apply it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The next week you do that, the next week you do that. You know, you have to always take care of your skin, not that you do it once and you'll be like, okay, I've done it, I'm not going to be doing it anymore. So you have to continuously take care of your skin. So that's it. That's how you could achieve an homemade facials right in your home. Have your skin looking beautiful, have your skin looking glowing, have your skin looking really, really flawless. Okay, so go give this a try. You use it onto your hands, onto your body, your neck, your face, literally everywhere, even onto your leg, and your body is gonna be really, really smooth. Okay guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and bye.